Hello friends, in this video we'll be solving a problem on simple harmonic motion, and this problem was also asked in this year's NEET physics. In this problem, a particle performing simple harmonic motion and whose displacement time graph is given, and we are asked to find acceleration at t equal to 2 seconds. You can solve this problem by two methods. One is you know the direct formula for acceleration of a particle performing SHM, or you can develop that equation from this given information. If you know the first method, you can skip the second method. Now let's begin. The formula for acceleration in SHM is given as A equal to minus omega square x, where omega is the angular frequency and x is the displacement of the particle. Also, omega is related with time period as 2 pi over t. We know in this figure you can see the motion is sinusoidal and it repeats after 8 seconds. So time period t is 8 seconds. So omega is 2 pi over 8 or pi by 4. Also, from this figure, at time equal to 2 seconds, the displacement is 1 meter. So we got the x as 1 meter. Putting these values here, we get acceleration as minus pi over 4 square times 1. That will be minus pi square over 16 meter per second square. So you got the answer, that is option number 4. Now the second method, if you don't know this formula, you can develop it from this figure. This figure is displacement time graph and it is sinusoidal wave. The equation of a sinusoidal wave is x of t will be the amplitude of the wave is 1. So 1 times sine omega t, or sine omega is pi by 4 t. Now we know acceleration is time rate of change of velocity, or velocity is time rate of change of displacement, that is dx by dt, or acceleration will be d2 x by dt square. So this formula x is to be differentiated twice to get a. So differentiating it with respect to time, first derivative will be the differentiation of sine is cos pi by 4 t. Also internal differentiation of this angle will be pi by 4, that will multiply here. Differentiating it again, d2x over dt square will be pi by 4 is here. Differentiation of cos is minus sine pi by 4 t, and the differentiation of this internal angle will be again pi by 4. So we get acceleration equal to d2 x over dt square equal to, multiplying all these terms, minus pi square over 4 times 4 is 16 sine pi by 4 t. We have to find acceleration at t equal to 2 seconds. So a will be minus pi square by 16 sine pi by 4 times 2. This will cancel here. It will get a pi square by 16 sine pi by 2. We know the value of sine pi by 2 is 1. So acceleration will be minus pi square by 16 meter per second square. Hope you understand this solution. Thank you. And if you like the video, please like and subscribe.